Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Do you beat up whipped cream, heavy cream like this, for cake, for icing? I do that very often, and I find that I end up, every time I beat up my whipped cream, somehow I end up with a mess. My counter is full of splatter from the whipped cream. So I even put my bowl of whipped cream in the sink. I know. I beat up my whipped cream in the sink. So the splatter would be contained to the sink. Okay. Well, not anymore. Let me show you an easy hack that will help you avoid all that mess. If you have the same problem I do, this is how you can avoid it. After you pour in your cream into the bowl, cover the bowl with clear wrap as you would normally cover the bowl, and then pinch with your finger the center, lift it up, and cut about an inch, and then place it back on the bowl. And just wrap the edges around. Center it as much as you can, and then wrap it around the edge. And now, put the beaters through, like this, and start whipping up the cream. And now all the splatter will be stopped from going outside on your table with the plastic around it. You can see splatter on the plastic. And the counter remains clean because now all the splatter has been contained by the plastic around it. Remove the plastic that now has all the splatter and look at my counter. It's still clean. Yay! I hope you found today's hack helpful and you will use it next time you have to beat up whipped cream. Thanks for watching. Bye.